Shall we go down the cycle track?
Yeah.
And try and be brave and not put me my power on. Take it nice and easy.
Easy does it.
So we had quite a lot of blue skies this morning, didn't we?
Yeah, bluest we've seen it. Let's hope it lasts all day.
It's definitely getting better, isn't it, from what it was?
Yeah.
So although we have been out on the bikes, this is the first time we thought we'd go and have a bit of a proper ride. So we're going to go to Torrevieja, that 15-minute bike ride. And see what we can see.
We're going to see the sea.
We should be able to see the sea from there, I think, on the front. There you go.
Yep, as long as it's still there.
I think we'd have to come off the path, look. There's people walking. Can you go down that lump there?
Yeah.
I'll go down first. Here we go. Is that Super Mario?
No.
Oh, it's like Super Mario, isn't it? Just talking about the graffiti on the wall. So temperature today, I think it's what, 19 or something?
I think it's set to be 18.
18
Yeah.
in the shade, so obviously a little bit warm in the sun.
Which I think is the warmest we've had it yet since we've come.
Yeah, by Friday it's destined to be 21.
Oh, I might put my shorts on.
Have you got your shorts on?
No, on Friday.
I just had a look then. On Friday.
Yeah, I'll put them on Friday if it's going to be 21.
What gear you in?
6.
6? I'm in 4 and I'm struggling.
You're struggling.
Is it my body mass index, do you think?
It's a little bit more than mine.
Body mass. My obese
Not obese.
BMI. Some joggers coming. Joggers at 12 o'clock. Are you back
Some
with
more
us?
bikes coming.
Bikes coming, single file. Morning. Oh yeah, you all right?
Hi.
Just realised who it was then. Our next door neighbours, well, over
Across
the
the
road
road.
neighbours. Hey, well, come and say hello. No, we're just thinking about having a coffee actually, but we haven't been in this one, have we?
Great to see you both.
Yeah, lovely to see you.
Always watch you.
Yeah, great, nice to see you.
Watch you everywhere you go.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Thanks for watching us.
Great stuff.
We don't what they call it. We watch on the television, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
YouTube.
You're very fit. You're always on your bike.
I'm knackered. Well, we just had a nice coffee there with Sally and
Ray.
Ray. Nice couple, lived here been here with an apartment for 20 years. And we'll put a picture on Facebook so you can see. Just bought us a coffee, so thank you very much. Just riding through the centre now. No red light. Are you there?
I'm here.
Are you with us?
I am.
A nice coffee, didn't we, with Sally and Ray?
Yeah, yeah, lovely.
New building going up there. Now we are outside the Bella Lola.
Bella Lola. It's closed today.
It's closed on a Sunday. We'll go down here. By the church. Well, Sunday morning, lovely day. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, we're straight out. Here we go. We'll go down here. Oh, it's blowing me hat off.
You're losing your hat.
My hat nearly came off then.
That wind's getting up now.
What shall we do? Shall we walk a bit?
Yeah.
Let's walk a bit. I'm going to pay the beauty of being a cyclist. One can get off and walk. It's nice and busy in there. Busy in the casino as well. Just go past the fountain.
It's quite busy.
Yeah, Sunday morning, lovely day. There we go.
That's new there, look. WC toilets. This.
Oh, where are you looking?
There was something else that they knocked down there, wasn't there?
Yeah. The Deutsche Bank's had a bit of a facelift, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Looks cleaner somehow. New roundabout's probably getting all nicely well worn in now.
Yeah.
I like the blue colour. Oh, look at the harbour project. It's coming on a treat. The trains there ready to go as well today.
They're doing something there. There's a big digger.
Yeah, they're hoping to pedestrianise it all, aren't they?
Yeah.
Round here, I think. I think they want to just make it all pedestrianised. Maybe that's what's going on there.
Down there, look. Oh, and I think they're moving all the, you know, the huts, the wooden huts.
Yeah.
The hippie market.
Hippie market, yeah.
It's all dug up, look.
Wow, oh, yeah, big hole there. Sure you want to see the sea, don't you?
Of course. €17. Menu del dia.
Yeah, it's always a little bit more around here, isn't it? I'm sure it's very nice.
We're going to carry on with our menu del dias.
Yes.
Under $12.99.
Yes, where are we going next?
I don't know. I think we've still got a few to choose from.
Oh, we've got loads. Here's a few to go at.
Strange looking things. Look at them faces.
Conks, toadstools, magic mushrooms.
And there's some music. It's a fiddle player. Is it a fiddler?
Is he on the fiddle, is he?
Is it a violin?
He's on the fiddle. Sounds nice. Bit of the old Stravinsky. Oops.
Makes you want to dance, doesn't it?
Go on then. The guys are busy.
You've got to be careful, you get a fine. You're buying. Oh, Lola's still there.
She's still there waiting.
Yeah.
Isn't it good how all them you can get on top of each other like that and they climb up, don't they?
Clever little shows, aren't they? Been training a long time.
Mountaineering shoes.
Some pants.
I bought my pants now. I got my pants. $6.99 I paid for them pants, didn't I?
Bargain, wasn't there?
Eh? Down at Carrefour. Aye? The equivalent of George, would you say?
Yeah.
I'm very happy with my purchase. I thought a lot of the stuff there were really good value.
Yeah.
You know, good old supermarket value. I think the average price really for casual trousers in there is about $11.99. Do you think 10 maybe tops?
Maybe
and then
15. There were quite a few at 15.
Went to one shop and they were all 30, weren't they?
Yeah.
We can't afford them sort of fancy prices, can we?
No.
So when I got these, it's $6.99. I would have it Moon.
Robert Moon you was.
Moon. Good quality and all.
I had to take them up for you though, didn't I?
Yeah,
About
today.
6 inches.
They're about 6 inches too long.
I had to cut bottoms off and stitch them up.
But they're not 3 sizes too big though. That'd have been a problem.
You've got short legs though, haven't you?
I've got short legs, just like I've got short arms and deep pockets. Well, it's very busy, isn't it, on the front
It
today?
is. I think people are just glad to get out.
Yeah,
How's your ears these days?
terrible. Tinnitus. I've got tinnitus.
Tomatoes.
No. Ooh, smell that
Oh,
fish.
what's that?
Seaweed. Yeah, I've got tinnitus, or tinnitus, I don't know how you want to say it. I've had it for years. Years and years of too loud music. Occupational hazard. You know what we call this one? Tico Tico.
Tico, Tico.
Tico Tico. Made famous by Ethel Smith. Ethel Smith, I'm talking rubbish now,
I
but
wouldn't know.
yes, you're an organist. You know, I'm going back to the 50s or something like that.
You're showing your age now.
I'm showing my age. The site of the old
Tintero.
Tintero Cafe. And we've got all these lovely waves coming in now. Let's have a whiz round. No. Let's take a picture on my telling bone.
What?
3, 2, 1, smile. Right, we're just on our way to where we thought we'll try Murphy's in the Park. Just heard a really good report about it. So we're going to go there and maybe have a Sunday lunch. We'll see how it goes. That's fancy, isn't it?
Yeah, must be Valentine's decorations.
You still with us?
Yeah.
Are you keeping up?
Yeah, how do you know where you are?
Need to be in this other lane. Are we clear?
Go now.
Could do we going down this one really? We just pull in here, look. Do we go in here? To get dismount. Want to be down there, I think.
I don't know how you know where you're going half at time.
Right, get back on again now. But I think it's just round here. I think maybe turn right. To this street or the next one. There it is. How's that then? Not bad, eh?
Mm.
We're going the wrong way, but we'll get off here. Not bad, eh? Are you impressed?
Yeah. Don't you know where you're going?
It's all up there. It's all inside the nut. Right, we're in the Park of Nations now, and I think we're ready to do our farewells on this one.
No farewells.
So we came down to town, we had a look around Torrevieja, as you know, and we've actually been to Murphy's on the park. And we've been there with a lovely meal there, a lovely Sunday lunch. More about that in a very near episode. Is that right? Near episode? In a very soon episode.
Soon episode.
Probably within a few days. But for this one, we're going to say it's time to wrap the video up.
Yep. So
it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.
Adios.